I have a little addition from snowy New Jersey in the winter. It's for the stuff I did in the summer. I had that problem too, to figure out how to unscrew the fan clutches, which they have that central big nut screwed on a pulley. So which way to remove the fan clutch from the engine. Some of them they turn left, some of them they turn right. It depends which way the fan is turning, and the way to unscrew, just follow the way the blades are. So these blades, when the engine is running, it's sucking air from the radiator, so it's turning that way, and that's also the way you have to unscrew the clutch, because the engine starts turning and it has to push the clutch forward in that thread. In the case the blades are going the opposite way, some cars they have it, again follow the blades. So if the blades are pitched this way, turning this way, then you unscrew the clutch this way. And the best way how to loosen this thing, the totally best way, is if you have a air chisel and you just notch it a little bit with the air chisel. I'm gonna have to do it with some screwdriver or something. Getting any kind of device, try to, like I said, air chisel is best. Let's try something different. Okay, it's coming, that's all it is. So you have to get somewhere close to the edge. I created a little notch here, and then you just bang it till it gets loose, and then it goes on its own. Yeah, the new one I always just get on a little bit on the edge and crank the engine, and when it cranks it screws in and tight enough. Okay, start it up. We are done. I'm back from additional snowstorm in New Jersey. Getting more and more snow. I'm hoping that video will be helpful for any of you, and don't be shy to ask some additional questions if you have, and let me know down below if I can do something better, and definitely if you liked it and if it was helpful, like my channel, subscribe, and see you next time, hopefully from a little bit warmer place.